Okay. Found a beetle in the basement. He's pretty wicked. Odin, go ahead and poke him.
Okay, just make sure he doesn't attack you.
He won't attack. Okay, that's enough. Good thing you don't spit acid.
Yeah. Alien dog.
Alright, poke him again. He don't like that, does he?
Hi.
Those are his antennas. Poke him in the head.
Oh.
Oh, he bit that, didn't he?
Yeah.
Let me see that. Come on, what do you got? What do you got? Come on, punk. What do you got?
Yeah, he can bite. The biting beetle.
Does he bite?
Yep. He's trying to bite the stick.
We're doing Beetle Wars. Okay, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. You're pinned.
Okay, let go of it. I don't want you to get bitten.
That is one cool beetle.
So long them go?
Reminds me of the ones on Men in Black. The ones that talk.
Mhm.
Alright, goodbye, beetle.
Bye, beetle.